Hi, it's Stacy with Linen Arts, and I am ready to announce the project that we are going to be doing for the 2-day workshop on July 9th and 10th. Okay, you ready? We're going to be doing the project that we are going to be doing for the 2-day workshop. Okay, you ready? We're going to be doing cornhole boards. Your registration will include both boards and the bean bags. And the 2-day workshop, day 1, we'll do an intro. We'll do an introduction. We'll do prep. We'll have lunch and be thinking about the colors that you're going to be wanting to do. After lunch, we're going to cover mixing, and then we're going to get them colors in the epoxy, and we're going to pour it onto these exciting cornhole boards. Anybody that knows me, I'm always doing my best to raise mental health awareness. That in mind, this art medium can be intimidating, but I know if I can do it, so can you. So Friday, June 17th, at the NAMI Kansas office at 6 p.m. I'm going to go ahead and do a live demo. Anybody could come and watch. I'll be posting the videos of it probably, well, it'll be live, so live in person. That way you can kind of see what is in store for pouring and having a lot of fun as a group, and we're all going to help each other. So